is Choling, and I am 76 years old. I've had tachycardia since childhood and a heart murmur since childhood. After I had my 4 treatments, I had to see a healthcare professional because of another problem I was dealing with, and my heart condition is completely gone. I was born with a heart murmur and tachycardia. So the tachycardia and heart murmur that I've had for 76 years after 4 treatments is now completely resolved, and it was proven by a recent EKG that happened yesterday.